So hopefully all of you are having a wonderful Christmas and holiday season, and that you got the gifts and presents that you wanted this year. And so today I wanted to share with you what I think is the best gift that you could give and receive, and it's a gift that I keep on giving for years and years to come. So what is this magical gift? Well, quite simply, it is creating or being a creator. So after having been here on YouTube and other platforms for a little over 10 years now, and nearly 2,000 videos later, I would never have imagined that I would still be doing this and enjoying it as much as I do. And more importantly is that people are still watching these videos years and years later, and that they actually got some type of value out of it, whether it's education, entertainment, or even inspiration. The fact that people are watching it and hopefully it improves their life in some small way means a lot to me, and it is the best gift that I think I can receive and also give in return. And so that's why I feel being a creator is one of the best gifts that you could give, whether it's this Christmas season or many other Christmas seasons later. And it's something that will not only improve your life, but also hopefully improve the lives of many other people all around the world. And so if this is something that you wanted to do for yourself, well, I've got something for you with my YouTube Creator Series for beginners, where I'll teach you everything from creating your first YouTube channel, coming up with ideas, designing thumbnails, and many other things to get you started on your own creative journey. And the best part is, all of this is free, and it's my personal gift to you. So if you did want to get started on this, I will leave a link in the description area below. And as always, thank you so much, and we'll see you on another episode.